Hi guys, another little video on useful things to have for repairing CB radios. So I've got some service manuals here. This is a rather crude one for Uniden, Uniace 100, 200, audio line 340 and 341. Although I think that would also apply to the base station versions of the Uniden 200 and the audio line 341. So I've got another one for the Rotel RVC 240, which is absolutely fine for anything boarded with the Cybernet PTBM134 board. And then I've got the Amstrad 901, 901 actually, according to that. They're both the same radio in effect. This is fine for anything boarded with the Cybernet PTBM002F. So that's very good. So I've got another couple of manuals downloaded on the computer but not printed out. I've got one for the TTI TCB 550. I found a couple of President ones, but the thing with President, they tend to make you, well, non-disclosure agreements, we shall say, before you can have a service manual off them. So in some cases you've just got to try and work it out yourself, which isn't great. That's the mic pinouts there. So this one calls for voltages. Well, it says voltages were measured with an AVO 8, but you don't need an AVO 8. Just a cheap multimeter like this will do. I'll come on to that in a later little video. So, service manuals, you just search for the radio you want the service manual for, and if it's out there, then that's all well and good. They generally have schematics in them. Let's move over a bit, like that. That one's quite a poor quality one, so I've got a better quality one for the Uniden Uniace 100 and 200 printed out and laminated, because I'm still working on my Uniace 100 to get it working back to how I need to get it working, but I do actually need a Synad meter and a proper signal generator to actually finally set it up. And also I need to check it on a spectrum analyzer to make sure that everything it's transmitting is actually being transmitted on 27 megs, not 54 megs, that's the one I'm looking for. So, yeah, service manuals, just search on your chosen search engine, would be that Google or whatever you use, for service manuals. If you want one for the PTBM134 chassis, then the Rotel 240 should be fine for that. And the 002F, the Amstrad, should be fine for that. And this one apparently came from meetthebreakers.co.uk. So, yeah. So, some more useful things to have for when you're repairing CB radios.